Hi, my name's Ed Jackson from JBL. I'm talking to you about some of the products that we've got on the installed audio wall. Conventional speaker designs are these point source boxes, whereas over the years, different manufacturers, including ourselves, have evolved into columns. We start off with the COL series, which we released last year, which are very effective for being this sort of discrete line source, which can cover a number of different applications. One of our most well-known products is the CBT series. Now, the CBT series has got manufacturer-specific technology where we're using a passive network to actually steer the sound and give better coverage over the vertical plane. This then evolves into our leading product, which is the IntelliVox DSX, which is a powered series, and we are able to steer over an accurate sound field of up to sort of 30 or 40 meters very easily.